In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset settings to default AutoCAD. If your AutoCAD workspace feels off, tools aren't where you expect, or performance seems inconsistent, resetting your settings back to default can quickly clear things up. This process restores your chosen profile to its original, out-of-the-box state, without touching your drawing files. It's a clean slate for your interface, toolbars, palettes, and preferences. Start inside AutoCAD with your drawing area open. Look down to the command line, usually docked at the bottom of the screen. This is where AutoCAD listens for typed commands. Click once in the command line to make sure it's active, then type the word settings and press Enter on your keyboard. Typing directly into the command line ensures AutoCAD interprets the command correctly, even if your interface looks different from the default layout. This opens the main settings window where you control how AutoCAD behaves. Along the top, you'll see several sections organized by tabs. Navigate to the Profiles tab. Profiles are collections of interface and system preferences saved under a name, and they let AutoCAD remember how you like things arranged. If you've switched computers, installed updates, or tried different customizations, you may see more than one profile listed here. Find the profile you want to return to factory defaults. Click to highlight it so AutoCAD knows which one you're working with. Then choose Reset. When you select Reset, AutoCAD may prompt you to confirm. This is normal. Confirm the reset to proceed. AutoCAD will restore that profile's settings back to the original defaults. Depending on your version, you might be asked to close and reopen AutoCAD for everything to fully apply. A quick note on what this affects: resetting a profile reverts display settings, tool palettes, ribbon state, command behavior, and other environment preferences tied to that profile. It does not delete your project files or templates. If you've made extensive customizations you plan to reuse later, make a mental note of them before you reset so you can set them back up afterward. Once the reset completes, your interface should look and behave like a fresh install using the default profile. If you were troubleshooting glitches or inconsistencies, check those areas now. The reset often resolves issues caused by conflicting or outdated settings. That's all there is to it. Type settings and press Enter, go to the Profiles tab, select your profile, and choose Reset. You're back to a clean, dependable AutoCAD environment and ready to keep working with confidence.